Crazy North Carolina laws. Hey, I'm Shane from Shane's Law. This one's particularly crazy. If you go to Asheville, North Carolina, okay, lots of people go there on vacation. They go there for the weekend. It's beautiful country. However, undoubtedly they don't like people with colds, okay? Because it is illegal to sneeze on the city streets in Asheville, North Carolina. I guess if you've got a cold or it's pollen season, you better stay out of Asheville. I don't know what this is about. I can only imagine it came up when there was one of these pandemic or epidemics going around and they were just trying to keep people off the street and anything like that. But if you sneeze in Asheville, you can go to jail, okay? So no sneezing on the city streets in Asheville, North Carolina. If you know anything about how this law came about, put it in the comments down below. We'd love to hear from it. We couldn't find it in our research. And remember, if you're in pain, call Shane, 980-999-9999.
In pain, so I call Shane, 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.